What's up everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. Earlier this morning I received my package from Amazon. I got my Apple Pencil for my iPad, and I also got this accessory for it. It's a grip holder for the pen, and this is going to match my red case and my black case, so it's kind of cool. On my other vlog, when I went a day in my life, I went to the Apple store. If you've noticed, I used the Apple Pen and I even fell in love with it more, so I got myself one, and yeah, I'm so excited. This is probably gonna replace my creativity book where I do all my scripting and stuff. I'm planning to shift it to Apple Notes. Anyways, let's get into the video. Let's open it. Wow. It looks really nice. It comes with the other tip and I think you use this for charger. How do I open it? 2 hours later. Let me not break it. I'll use it later. Got it! Let's connect it with my iPad. To connect the pen with the iPad, you just need to plug it here. I think it has connected. Let's see. Okay. Welcome to Apple Pens. Wow. So this is all I have for you today. As I said, I will be making the iPad review, and I will make sure I include the Apple Pencil, so make sure you subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take it easy. Peace.